Hello, my name is Peter Marcos, and today I will be presenting the evaluation instrument assignment. I am the principal of a fictitious middle school called Winterfell Middle School. The superintendent, Ned Stark, has formed a committee and I've been asked to be a part of it. Our task is to select an evaluation supervision model for the fictitious school district Winterfell Public Schools. The first evaluation model that the committee and I looked at was the McREL model. It evaluates teachers by using 5 standards: leadership, classroom environment, content knowledge, facilitate learning, and reflect on teaching. The strength of the McREL model was that, excluding the standard for reflection, the other 4 standards were critical for a teacher to be considered effective or highly effective. Weakness: most of the standards were vague and therefore were open to interpretation from the evaluator. And one of the standards is for reflection, and yet one of the components for each standard is also for reflection. The committee and I agreed that this was both redundant and unnecessary. The second evaluation model that the committee and I looked at was the Marzano model. This model evaluates teachers by using 4 standards: classroom strategies and behaviors, planning and preparing, reflecting on teaching, and collegiality and professionalism. One strength of the Marzano model was that, excluding the reflection standard, the 4 other standards were very clear, which makes the evaluation process easier for the teachers. And the 4 other standards covered all of the base foundation parameters, which is important for the teacher evaluation process. The one weakness, it coincidentally was the same weakness that the McREL model had, and that was the issue, is that one of the standards is for reflection, which the committee and I agreed that it was both unnecessary and redundant. The third evaluation model that the committee and I looked at was the Strange model. This model evaluates teachers by using 7 standards: professional knowledge, instructional planning, instructional delivery, assessment of and for learning, learning environment, professionalism, and student progress. The strength of the Strange model was that, unlike the McREL model, which utilized standards that were quite vague, the Strange model utilizes standards that are extremely specific, which helps with the clarity for the teacher. One weakness: unlike the other 3 models, this model used 7 standards to evaluate teachers and staff, and some of the standards were repetitive. The last evaluation model that the committee and I looked at was the Danielson model. This model evaluates teachers by using 4 standards: planning and preparation, classroom environment, instruction, and professional responsibilities. The strength and weakness of the Danielson model, the committee and I agreed that the Danielson model did not have a weakness. The committee and I, by process of elimination, have selected and recommend that the Danielson model be the evaluation and supervision model utilized by the Winterfell Public School District. Thank you.